Effective communication is one of the most important life skills a person can have. You can do some key things to improve your communication skills, whether you want to have better conversations in your personal and social life, or communicate more effectively at work. In today's video, you will learn 12 simple ways to improve your communication skills. Welcome to Luxe University, where we upload videos every Monday to Friday that will inspire you as you strive to reach the pinnacle of success. If this is your first time visiting our channel, we encourage you to click the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our future videos. We are excited about the opportunities coming your way once you learn from the valuable tips we have in store. Speaking of learning, here are the 12 ways to help you become a better communicator. First, respect and appreciation should always be shown. People will be more open to communicating with you if you express gratitude and respect for their ideas. Even simple acts such as addressing someone by their first name will make them feel appreciated. Next, pay attention carefully. People desire to feel heard rather than merely concentrating on developing a response. Pay attention to what the other person has to say. The person who is speaking to you should be your main priority at that time. Moreover, avoid responding to emails or sending texts while on the phone with someone, as they will be aware that you are not giving them your full attention. The next step is to ask questions and paraphrase. Asking questions will not only help you understand what the other person is saying, it will also demonstrate that you are interested in what they're saying. This begins the conversation by expressing your desire to see, hear, and understand them. And if you want to show that you understand them, paraphrasing is an extremely useful tool. All you have to do is repeat what someone has just said back to them before making your comment. Up next, you must maintain eye contact with the person with whom you are conversing. For a conversation to be meaningful, there must be eye contact. Looking at the floor or out the window indicates that you don't care, are bored, or aren't listening to them. Whereas looking at the other person in the eye or demonstrating that you're interested in what they're saying indicates that you do. This also helps you stay focused and avoid distractions. Next is listening to your body language. Nonverbal and non-written cues frequently reveal more than you realize. Remember that even when you can't see a word, you're communicating. So, when interacting with others, maintain open body language. Turn to face your conversation partner. Pay attention to your gestures and avoid crossing your arms. The following step is to start paying attention to how you use words like and like. You could also try to unwind and take a deep breath before speaking. I assure you that your awkward silences are more uncomfortable than the others. Next, be brief but precise. Practice being concise but specific in both written and verbal communication so that the other person can understand what you're trying to say. Additionally, when writing an email response, make sure to read the entire email before you respond. You'll eventually develop the ability to speak concisely and avoid giving away too much information. However, you should still spend time editing your messages. The recipient will assume you didn't take the time to carefully plan your communication with them if you send them a sloppy, unclear email. Next, put all your gadgets away. Looking down at your phone while speaking to someone is impolite, so put your gadgets away and pay attention to the person speaking to you. Avoid checking texts, returning calls, or answering vibrations. Release everything. Focus on what the other person is saying at all times. They will be able to tell that you are listening to them by your verbal and nonverbal cues. The next step is to validate other people's thoughts and feelings. People experience certain emotions for a reason when those emotions arise, even if you wouldn't have reacted the same way. It's critical to acknowledge the emotions they're feeling. You are not required to agree with the other person to validate them. You can make them feel important by simply acknowledging that you hear what they're saying and value their point of view. The following rule is to never talk over others. Talking over someone implies that I don't care what you have to say. What I'm saying is more important, and your lack of respect is evident. Similarly, refrain from finishing other people's sentences. You are now in control of the conversation, which disempowers the other person. What's next? Take note of your tone. While being assertive is sometimes necessary to make your point, avoid being aggressive. The line between the two is thin. Try not to go over it. Be confident and direct while maintaining a calm, cooperative tone, because speaking in a combative manner is never effective. Lastly, smile and maintain a positive attitude. People will respond positively to you if you smile frequently and exude a positive attitude. Even if you're on the phone, smile, because your positive attitude will come across and the other person will notice. You see, the more you pay attention to how you express yourself to others, the better your communication skills will become. So, give it a shot. Applying these tips to your daily interactions will immediately improve your communication skills. By improving your communication skills, you'll interact in a more positive and beneficial way, creating a productive and thriving environment for you and the people around you. Just remember to follow and understand these key tips, and you are on your way to becoming a great communicator. Do you have any challenging experiences with communicating? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. We are at the end of today's video. If you learned a lot, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you liked it. For more videos like this, subscribe and don't forget to ring that notification bell. Check out our other videos as well. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.